Hello everyone, let's continue solving Math A 2012 question 1.2. Okay, so you have that x is this one is x is square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Then he is asking you x cubed plus x plus 1. So how do you go on solving this? Well, I don't know if there is an easier way, but the way that I went is full on numbers and multiplying. So if x is equal to that, let's find x cubed. Okay, so x cubed. Well, what is x cubed? Well, it is square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 cubed, right? But what is cubed? Well, it is this part, square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. If you know the formula for the cubed, uh, just go already, do it over here in the cube, but you can separate it in 1 squared multiplied by another x, simple x, right? This is x cubed, right? So it is the squared multiplied by itself. There is 2 here, 1 here, it will sum to be cubed. Okay, so let's take this part squared. So the square root of the first 5 minus 2 multiplied by the uh, versus the second. The formula for the squared, okay, perfect square. So, and the square root of the second term divided by 2 squared is 4. So all this multiplied by square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so let me see, where can I write this? So it will seem messy, but over, and then I will clean it up, okay? But let's go. So 5 multiplied by square root of 5 is 5 square root of 5. After I'm going to do this, and it will seem, you will see it like this, okay? So just because, just so that I can write it. Okay, now 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5, and then we have minus 2 square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of 5 is minus 2 multiplied by 5 is minus 10. Okay, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 2 square root of 5, and then we will have square root of 5 minus square root of 1, and 2 multiplied by 4 is going to be 8. So plus square root of 5 minus 1, all this divided by 8. Remember, what is this? I'm just calculating here still the I'm calculating the x cubed. After this, I'm going to sum it with x and plus 1 to find the answer, okay? So let's see what we have. 5 plus 3 is 8 square root of 5. I just added this with this with this. So minus uh, minus 15 minus 16 divided by 8. So this is nice because we'll have only 5 minus 2. This is our x cubed, okay? 5 minus 2. So we will need to sum it. We'll need to sum this with our simple x. Now this is our x cubed. So let's go to a new page. Our x cubed is my square root of 5 minus 2. And now we need to sum this with our simple x. What was our simple x? Square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2, and all this plus 1. This is what he's asking us. So let's multiply here by 2 upwards and down so that we don't change anything. This is 1. I'm just multiplying by 1, so all good. Why did I do this? Because now I can sum both of these. So 2 square root of 5 plus square root of 5. So it will be 3 square root of 5, right? So 3 square root of 5. And over here, 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is minus 5 divided by 2. And here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply the 1 to 2 upwards and downwards so that we don't change anything. So in place of adding 1, I'm going to add 2 plus 2, okay? 2 divided by 2. So now we will have it over here. Let me write it over here. 3 square root of 5. Now minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 divided by 2. So this is our answer. 3, and you can take the 3 outside, so it will be 3 divided by 2, square root of 5 minus 1. So this would be our answer.